Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set a different ringtone sound to SIM 1 or SIM 2 with dual SIM activated on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, go down and tap on sounds and vibration. Next, tap on ringtone. And in here, select the first SIM card, so SIM 1, and in here, select which sound that you would like to use for your first SIM. So select one of the sound for the first SIM, then select a second SIM, and here select a sound that you would like to use. And up here you can choose to turn on or turn off, vibrate while ringing. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.